If you're experiencing billing issues with DoorDash, it's important to address them promptly to ensure a smooth ordering experience. Follow these steps to resolve your billing problems effectively. Step 1. Review your order history. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Check payment method. Verify that the payment method linked to your DoorDash account is correct and up to date. Ensure that your credit card or payment information hasn't expired and that there are sufficient funds available. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you notice any issues, reach out to DoorDash customer support through the app or website. Use the help section to find the appropriate contact options such as live chat or email to report your billing problem. Step 4. Provide detailed information. When contacting support, provide as much detail as possible about the issue. Include your order number, the specific charges in question, and any relevant screenshots or documentation to help expedite the resolution process. Step 5. Follow up. If you don't receive a timely response or resolution, follow up with customer support. Keep a record of your communications and be persistent in seeking a solution until your billing issue is resolved. By following these steps, you can effectively address any billing problems you encounter with DoorDash. Remember to stay patient and thorough in your communication with customer support for the best results.